Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G513. In this video I'll show you how to replace keys. In order to replace keys, prepare key removal tool. Right here in the original box we've got additional keys. They are numbers from 1 to 5 and Q, W, E, R and ASD buttons. These buttons are specially shaped for better grip and faster response time. To replace them, firstly place the replacement tool over the key and pull it. Now, at the place of the key you've selected, put another key. Push it and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.